Welcome to our step-by-step guide on uploading your W-2 and W-3 forms to SSA. First, prepare your forms using Easy W-2 from halfpricesoft.com, ensuring you save them as a .txt file. Next, proceed to upload your W-2 and W-3 wage files to the SSA site. Visit SSA site. Log in your account. Select the Upload Formatted Wage File tab on the EWR homepage to access the wage file upload application. Select the Submit a Formatted Wage File link. The system displays the What's in the File page. When the W-2/W-3 forms for tax year 2023 or previous tax year, EFW2, radio button is selected, the Upload File section with a Browse button will be displayed. You can choose a file to upload. When the uploaded file passes the preliminary checks, a successful upload will be confirmed on the SSA's system. Easy W-2 software supports unlimited accounts at a single rate, ideal for tax professionals managing multiple clients. Trusted for over 2 decades, Easy W-2 is SSA approved, ensuring a smooth tax reporting process for businesses of all sizes. For any further assistance, visit halfpricesoft.com's support page. Thank you for choosing Easy W-2 for efficient and reliable business management.